Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Google Ads account and confirming your Google business profile. Once done, you set a clear campaign objective like sales or leads and assign a realistic daily budget. Make sure to add a concise landing page or product page that converts, then install conversion tracking and link Google Analytics 4 so you can measure results. Do basic keyword research now, grouping terms by intent so your first campaign launches with focused ad groups. You now build the campaign structure. Pick search, display, or performance max depending on intent. Once chosen, narrow locations and languages to your market. Next, select a bidding strategy that matches your goal, maximize conversions or enhanced CPC, and create ad groups with tightly themed keywords. Write responsive search ads that rotate headlines and descriptions, and add extensions like site links and calls to increase real estate. Make audience signals and negative keyword lists before you launch so traffic quality starts high. You launch the campaign and watch performance closely for the first 24 to 72 hours. Once stable, review conversion rate, cost per acquisition, and impression share. Then adjust bids, reallocate budget to top performers, pause poor keywords, and expand with new high-intent phrases. Run a/B ad tests and refine landing pages for better relevance. If results deviate unexpectedly, check tracking. Make sure GA4 and ads conversion tags fire correctly, and test with Tag Assistant to resolve mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.